watching this, right, at home and saying, hey, I've got a cause, and I want, look, here's another one, jobs for justice and peace. So people are converging here.
Courtroom for all the proceedings, every single one of them. I was here for the full preliminary hearing. I've been here for all the pretrial hearings. This is what I do. I work for Michael Jackson now.
Justice for Michael! Justice for Michael! Justice for Michael! Justice for Michael!
We support Dr. Conrad Murray. He's an outstanding doctor. We believe when the facts fall, he will be exonerated.
We don't know what he took or what he was doing. But when Michael Jackson didn't have a doctor near him, he self-medicated.
Michael Jackson was murdered by Conrad Murray. He went against his Hippocratic oath. He's a damn fool. He's gone down. He's a murderer. Conrad Murray is a murderer.
Absolute madness outside the courthouse. Long lines for the public lottery. Michael Jackson fans having spirited debates and arguments with Dr. Conrad Murray supporters and the daily arrivals of the Jackson family. Will any of this impact what's happening inside the courtroom? Dmitry Gorin's with us. Dmitry, do you think, and let's talk about the Jacksons first of all, Janet Jackson, Catherine, Joe Jackson, LaToya, Jermaine, do these folks being inside that courtroom impact this jury, Dmitry?
Remember, the jury is instructed to just focus on the evidence, to keep the emotion out of their deliberations.
All right, we know that, but you can tell us what really happens, Dmitry. Tell us what really happens.
Absolutely. I've tried a number of murder trials, both as a prosecutor here in Los Angeles and a defense attorney. Absolutely, there's an impact of having the jury see the victim's family, absolutely. But also, remember, they're going to hear the other side. They're going to hear Dr. Murray's side, where he's going to have his patients that are going to testify that he saved their life in the defense side. So, yes, I believe it will have an impact, but ultimately, my experience in speaking to jurors after verdicts is they really try to be fair. They really, in their deliberation, take their job very seriously and consider the evidence, and assuming the defense lawyers know what they're doing, and I think they do, they will respond to that kind of emotional presence of having the victim's family in court through presenting their case, through putting on character witnesses, and by addressing the emotional aspect of the case in their argument.